Good morning. This is Doug Wolf with Keller Williams Town Center in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Today we're going to be talking about our rain monthly data report for the month of June 2012. This is information that as a seller or a buyer, you should be taking a look at so that you can see the trend lines, understand what is going on with our real estate market and where it was 12 months ago, last month, what have you, so that you can make a decision when putting your house on the market to sell, or if you're a buyer that's looking to buy or an investor looking to invest, where the trend lines are taking us right now. Everything is certainly based upon past performance when investing in real estate. So we're going to get right to the numbers. We're going to start with the city of Norfolk, Virginia. Norfolk, for the month of June, had 1,397 properties that were currently active on the market. That number down 17.78% from where it was last June, June of 2011. And you can see the year-to-date is 23% down versus last year at this time. So it's interesting numbers. Inventory is low, and you can see by that trend line, supply and demand. If inventory is low, then everything else should reflect it. But you're going to see some interesting numbers in that's not necessarily the case. Number of units sold, 230 units for the city of Norfolk for the month of June. That number's also down, but not very much, only about 4.5%. 4.5% down versus last June. And you can see in May, the number was way up, 21% for the city of Norfolk for percentage of properties sold in the city of Norfolk. Median sold price, $159,700. That number's up a little over 6%. And our months of inventory, how many months of inventory do we have in the city of Norfolk to get the homes sold and liquidate what we currently have? It's at 7. 6 is a really good number as far as if you were looking to figure it out, and 6 says it's a normal market, so we're still a little bit in a buyer's market. Even though inventory is down, we're still a little bit high in inventory. Moving on to the city of Virginia Beach, 2,465 properties currently for sale in the city of Virginia Beach for the month of June. That number down just shy of 24% versus last year at this time. Year-to-date average is 22%. And that's huge. I mean, 23%, 24% in the city of Virginia Beach for lower in inventory. Still, 556 properties closed in the city of Virginia Beach in the month of June. That number only down about 3.30%. And we're kind of holding our average there. You can see in the month of May, that number was up. May's a very strong closing month. Median sold price, $238,500 for the city of Virginia Beach, and that number's up about 6%, which it should be. Certainly with inventory where it is, that number should be up a little bit, very much like the city of Norfolk, where it was up about 6.5%. Months of inventory, you can see we're below that magic number of 6 months. We're at 5.5 months of inventory. That's a good thing. We're coming back into more of a normal market. That number gets down to 3. That would be extremely strong seller's market. If it goes back up above 6, it becomes back into a buyer's market. So right there, city of Virginia Beach says it's a normal market. Wow, you can see that 23.92 negative percent really pops out at you for inventory off from June 2012 to June 2011. Can't miss that. City of Chesapeake, 1,556 properties were on the market in the month of June. That number down 23.76%. So it's reflecting the same as pretty much the other two cities. Number of units sold, 297 properties were sold in the city of Chesapeake in the month of June. And that number is up about 1.37%. So had a little bit of growth there. Median sold price $230,000 with a 22% growth, and their months of inventory 6.31, which is right in line with the other two cities. It's actually right in between the 5.51 and the 7.13. So all in all, this is telling us that the market is stabilizing. We'll certainly see what the banks have in store for us as far as their shadow inventory, which are properties that have not been foreclosed on yet, but are in a position for foreclosure. As we roll along, we'll certainly keep you posted. If you'd like additional information, my name is Doug Wolf. I'm with Keller Williams. Phone number 757-515-4728. You can also email me, dougwolf@bettercalldoug.com.